What'd you bring the kid for? A shield?
A shield? No, he's just here to watch. So, forget about him and let's just fight.
Having him tag along with you isn't gonna slow you down? It makes you look like an idiot.
Oh no, it'll all be fine. I mean, really, you're kinda weak.
Domain expansion!
What is this? Damn!
Coffin of the Iron Mountain.
Domain expansion. Infinite void.
What just happened?